What's the meaning of congressman? Congressman. Congressman.
Congressman. Congressman. A congressman is an elected member of the United States Congress, which is comprised of the House of Representatives and the Senate. The House of Representatives is made up of 435 members who serve two-year terms and represent specific congressional districts within their states. The Senate is composed of 100 members, 2 from each state, who serve 6-year terms. Together, these two bodies of Congress are responsible for making federal laws and representing the interests of their constituents. Overall, a congressman is an important public official who has a significant impact on shaping national policy.